The challenge begins. Tonight we're live from Tokyo. Millions are watching from around the globe, eagerly anticipating the culinary showdown of the century. This isn't just another cooking show, it's a high-stakes battle where culinary skills meet cutting-edge technology. It's a battle for the soul of cooking. Tradition versus innovation, heart versus precision. In this corner we have ChefBot, a marvel of modern engineering. It's a culinary machine programmed with every recipe known to man. It can execute each dish with flawless precision. It's all about precision, efficiency, and maybe a little bit of magic. Every movement calculated, every ingredient measured to perfection. In the other corner we have Chef Pierre. He's a culinary legend. 3 Michelin stars, a lifetime of experience. His dishes are a testament to his passion and creativity. He's all about heart, passion, and that little something extra that makes food sing. His touch transforms simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Who will win? It's a tough one, folks. The judges are on the edge of their seats and the audience can feel the tension. The tension is thicker than a French bechamel sauce. The clock starts now. Every second counts as they race against time. Both chefs have 3 hours to create a 3-course meal that will blow our minds. The heat is on and the kitchen is their battlefield. Let's get cooking. ChefBot is a marvel of modern engineering, a true testament to the advancements in technology. It moves with surgical precision, executing each task with an accuracy that surpasses human capabilities. It measures ingredients to the milligram, ensuring that every recipe is followed to perfection. Its robotic arms work tirelessly, chopping, stirring and sautéing with an efficiency that never wanes. ChefBot is a master of technique, capable of performing delicate tasks with finesse. It can replicate any dish perfectly every single time, but can it create? Can it innovate beyond the recipes it has learned? Can it capture the soul of a dish? That's the real question. Cooking is more than just following a recipe. It's about passion and creativity. ChefBot has analyzed thousands of flavor profiles, understanding the science behind taste. It's come up with some surprising combinations, blending flavors in ways that challenge traditional culinary boundaries. Who knew lavender and lobster could be so good? This unexpected pairing is just one example of its innovative potential. This machine is pushing boundaries, redefining what we thought possible in the culinary world. The future of cooking is here, and it's both exciting and thought-provoking. Chef Pierre is a different story. Unlike many chefs who rely